In this video, we'll show you where is Android Auto on your Android phone. So if you open the app drawer on your phone, you won't see the Android Auto icon anywhere. You also won't be able to find it using the search menu. So nothing will come up. So the only reliable way to open Android Auto is to first head to the settings app, tap the search option and then look for Android Auto. So this will bring you to this particular menu. Now select Android Auto and you will see this kind of interface. Now you can connect your vehicle from here, or you can change some of the settings that you like. Now there's also another way to do this. So for that, head to the Play Store and then search for Android Auto. Now select the first result that appears. So you can either select Android Auto settings to come back to this menu, or you can select the Android Auto app and update it from here. You won't be able to open it. To open it, you will need to go back and then choose go to Android Auto settings. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.